All right, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install some wheel spacers on my 2025 GMC Sierra. Just like any other video that I have, I'm going to show you what tools are required, and I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly get those installed. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, tools required for this installation are as follows: 19mm socket, a 21mm socket, a floor jack, and jack stands. First step, after the vehicle has been properly lifted and supported, you're going to take your 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts, and then remove the wheel from the vehicle. Okay, next I'm just going to make sure I clean the mating surface with the rotor and the wheel spacer. So I used a little Scotch Brite pad and just kind of scuff down some of the areas a little bit. Just make sure it has a good bonding surface with the wheel spacer, and then after that use some brake cleaner to clean it off thoroughly. So after the surface has been cleaned, this is where you're going to apply the Loctite to each stud. You don't have to really go crazy with it, just a couple dabs. Nice fair amount on each stud. Then you're going to install the wheel spacer, and then take the 19mm nuts and just ensure you got a couple turns on the studs so you don't cross thread the studs and then run into a bigger problem. Now I'm going to take my impact on the lowest setting, and then in a star pattern, tighten all the nuts. Okay, sorry for the interruption, but before we continue, I have a small favor to ask. If you're new to my channel and you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on those notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to receive my newest content. But with that being said, enough of that. Let's hop right back into the video. Next, you're going to torque all the nuts, again in a star pattern, to 140 foot-pounds. As you can see, I got a screwdriver in the top right-hand corner in the slot of the rotor against the caliper, just so that I can properly torque them and it doesn't free spin. Okay, this is the last part. I don't show everything that I'm about to talk about because I still have some other things that I needed to do. But the first thing I did, I sprayed off the mating surface with some brake cleaner, then wiped it off with a shop rag. But then what you would do is you install the wheel, get the lug nuts nice and snug, then lower the vehicle safely, and then torque all the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Just showed you what tools are required, as well as how to properly install some wheel spacers on my 25 GMC Sierra. Again, just like the rest of the videos that I have, I am not going to show each wheel spacer installation due to the fact that one is identical to installing the rest of them. Now, but if you do have any questions, just do me a favor, drop a comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So with that being said, that's it. Thanks for tuning in again. Until next time, take it easy.